We'll guide you through how to use wired and Bluetooth headphones at the same time on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient if you're with somebody else. Make sure they're both connected. You can go and press search at the bottom and open your settings. You can come to Bluetooth and devices, and you can then go and add the Bluetooth headphones and then go and plug in the wired headphones. Go and open a web browser of your choice, and you need to go and type in an app called Virtual Audio Cable. This one here. Come to the site and you can press download at the top, and you can then go and download it. Once you've got it, you can then go and open up your downloads and you can go and install it like any other application. With it installed, what you then need to do is go and right click on the sound icon in the bottom right and come to your sound settings. Scroll down and go and find Virtual Audio Cable line 1. Now you want to go and press search at the bottom and go and type in Audio Repeater MME. Here it is, and what you need to do is then come to wave out and go and select one of your headphones. I'll go and choose the Bluetooth ones. Then you want to go and right click on it in your taskbar again and open up another. And you need to go on to wave out, and this time you can choose the wired headphones. Then when you're ready, you can press start on them both, and then the sound will be output to them both.